Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. A quick video today. I'm going to be changing the diff oil on the front and the rear differentials today. It's quite a straightforward job, but when I looked on YouTube, there weren't that many videos that show it, so I'm going to show you. I went down to Halfords. I've bought 3 litres of semi-synthetic gear oil, 75 weight 90. I'm using Coma because it's a good oil. I've got an oil pump, and it's quite straightforward. So let's get underneath the car, and I'll show you where to locate the front and rear differentials and a few tricks on how to do it. All right, speak soon. Right, so that's the car all jacked up. My drive's not very level, so it's always a bit precarious. So I've got it on the highest settings of the stands. I've got 2 stands on passenger side. I've got 2 stands on the driver's side, and I've also put the jack under tension as well. So it's got 3 points on the driver's side, just making sure it's extra secure. I'm going to get underneath now. I'm going to take the front guard plate off, and then I'll show you the front differential, which is going to be the first one that we do. Right, so there's a lesson here about preparing to fail and failing to prepare, or words like that. I got underneath, I had a look at the sump, I found the drain and the fill holes, and I don't actually have an Allen socket big enough to open the drain plug and the fill plug. So I've taken the car down off the stands, I've packed it all away, and we're now off to tool station in Crawley, where I've ordered a new socket set to go and to be able to get the bits off. So here we go. Right, here I am at tool station. I've got the bits. If I have to come back here today, I'm going to be really pissed off, but we will prevail. Right, we're back home, and I've decided to just put the car up on the ramps for the front, get underneath, drain the oil, refill the oil, and then I will reverse the car onto the ramps for the rear to save messing around with the jack again. Right, let's get to it. Right, so here we are. I've got my 8mm socket on there. Oh, someone's ringing me. Kill that. I've got my 8mm socket on here. The drain plug, the fill plug for the diff is right where my hand is here. It's right on the back, on top of the big nuts, just here. It's really good practice to check that you can open the fill plug before you drain any oil out of anything, because you'll be banging trouble if not. So let me set my Allen key in there and we shall go. Get your head away from any falling dirt as well. There we go. Right, next I'm going to use the drive square from my drill bit set, my Torx bits from my driver, and that just goes in there. And this is your differential drain plug. So let me just move the camera over. One second, so you can see. Get the let me get the bucket. Oh, no, I've lost my socket. Where's my socket gone? Here it is. Right. Oh, success. And now we just let that drain out, and we inspect the magnetized bottom of the the drain plug for any really large chips. Right, let's let that drain out. Right, here's the drain plug. You can see there's some shavings on the top of there, but there's nothing, no really big parts, just a few shavings. So I think we're all right. If you know any better, please drop me a comment, because as I said, I'm not an expert. So if anyone doesn't really like the look of those, and you know a lot better than me, please let me know. Right, the oil is pretty much all drained out. There's a bit of a dribble left, which I will clean up once we've got everything put away. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my drain plug back in. There we go. And just nip it up. This oil smells really bad. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the camera over quickly, and then using the fill tube on the oil bottle that I've got, I'm just going to keep filling the differential up until I start getting a really solid dribble coming out. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, top it up again, and make sure that I've got absolutely the right amount of oil in there. Hello, mate. Is there any actually going in? No, none's going in. Right, I'm back with my oil pump. To be perfectly honest, I don't know why I didn't do this in the first place. I was being lazy, I suppose. There we go. That is in there. You pump until we get a nice steady flow. There we go. Now we know from that the differential is perfectly full. So I release the pressure on my pump. There we go. Stop the flow of the oil. There we go. Just wait for that to stop now. Right, the lesson here is use an oil pump. Don't try and cut corners. And once this has stopped, we know we're at the fill line. Right. Oh. There we go. Going now. There we go. Right, here we are. I've got the car up on its the rear. I've put it back up on the ramps. I've got some axle stands, just making sure it doesn't lower down and squash me. As you can see, it's a little bit tight. The orientation and the bits are the same here. So right underneath here, you've got your drain plug, and just up there is the fill plug. Uh, Access actually here is a little bit better than at the front. So, all right, let's crack on. Where's my ratchet gone? Where's my ratchet gone? What? I just did it. Oh, fuck's sake. There it is. Sorry about that. Oh, whoever did this up last must have been the Incredible Hulk. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, you bastard. Right, we're going to get some penetrating oil. If I get that. Oh, good, I've snapped it. Excellent, brilliant. All right, I've now snapped. I hate this fucking machine sometimes. Right, leave me to swear and think, and I'll meet you back. Right. Right, so using some plus gas, I highly recommend this stuff. I sprayed it, had a cup of tea, calmed down, said a few swear words, came back, and I managed to crack the nut. So I'm just gonna undo the top bung, and if anyone knows who owned this car before me and did the rear differential, poke them in the eye, because that's not. There's no need for that. Yeah, that's way too tight. You don't need that. There we go. Fill plug out. Now I'll just undo the drain plug. If this is the same, I'm going to be really annoyed. Oh my god. Someone was obviously having a bad day. I'm trying to prove a point. Oh, you bastard. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Oh, a nice bit of sludge. All right. Again, we've got the iron filings. I suspect that this is the first differential oil change this car's ever had. Right, let me go and clean this up and I'll get pumping in. Right, so the rear differential has just drained all the way out. It's just doing really, really slow drips now. So I'm going to put the clean magnetized drain bung back in. There we go. Not as tight as the last really helpful person did. There we go. No need for it to be any tighter than that. Leave that there so I don't have to do the silly dance to find it again. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the oil pipe in there and then start pumping. There we go. Just wait now for the dribble to come out. I can see that's flowing nicely now. Right, so we've got a steady stream through out here now. So close the tap. drain out, and then when that stopped, we have got a full differential box. So it's quite a steady flow. It's going to a fine drip now. Oh. There we go, just rip that up. I need to make the next person think that Hulk had a bad day. Yeah, there we go. Get that off. Don't just put in the oil. There we go, that's good. Right. Clean that. Get that. There we go. Right, I'm going to put the protection plate back on the front, take the car off the ramps, and I'll see you in the garage. Right, there we go, we got to the end of it. That was a bit of a palaver. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Like I said, if anyone knows if the iron filings on the drain plugs were excessive, please do let me know in the comment section. I have just checked the service history, although be it limited that I got with the car. I don't think a diff oil change had ever taken place. So I'm at 170,000 miles, give or take. So that's the first diff oil change in 172,000 miles even. I will just show you the state of the oil that I took out. Like thick brown mud, so definitely due for a change. Like I said, thank you for watching. Please, I do need as much advice as you can give. Drop a comment if you think I did anything wrong. Drop a comment if you liked it. Drop a comment if there are any particular videos you want to see. And I've got loads of stuff to do. This week I have ordered a snorkel and a sunroof drain. So that's going to be one video where I do the driver's side sunroof drain before I put the snorkel on, because obviously the access to the niffle part is through the air vent. So I'm going to do that. I've also got front and lower, upper and lower front suspension arms, wishbones. So I'm going to change all four on the front of the car for that, because they were advisories in my last MOT, and my MOT is due in July. So those are the videos that we've got coming up. Just looking at my to-do list as well. I need to do an injector clean. before I go to Cornwall in August, I will be doing a full service. So there's lots to come. Please do subscribe. Please do drop a like and please do drop a comment. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.